Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hello, everyone. In this channel, we do not study, we do not use textbooks, we do not stress.
That is right. We just talk. You just listen. And by listening, you will understand. Before we start, friends, if you found this conversation useful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Your support helps us make more useful content for you. It tells us to keep going. So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Sarah, today we have a very nice topic, a happy topic.
Oh, I like happy topics. What is it?
Today we are talking about friends.
Friends. That is the best topic.
Specifically, we are talking about how to talk to friends, how to make plans, how to hang out.
Hang out. That is a great phrase.
Yes, to hang out means to spend time together, just relaxing, no work, just fun.
I love hanging out with my friends. It makes me feel good.
Me too, but sometimes in a new language, it is hard to know what to say.
True, you want to sound natural. You want to sound cool.
Exactly. You don't want to sound like a robot. Hello, friend, how are you?
No, that is too formal. Friends are informal. Friends are casual.
So let's start with the greeting. When you see a close friend, what do you say?
Well, I usually say, "Hey, how are things?"
How are things? That is good. It is short for, how are things in your life?
Yes, or sometimes I say, "What's new?"
What's new? I like that one. And how do you answer? If I ask you, Sarah, what's new?
Usually I say, "Not much, just the usual."
Not much. That is the most common answer in English.
Even if I am busy, I say, "Not much." It means I'm okay. Everything is normal.
Sometimes I say, same old, same old.
Same old means nothing changed. Life is the same as yesterday.
Exactly. It's a comfortable answer. But Sarah, what if you haven't seen your friend for a long time, maybe 1 month or 1 year?
Then we need to catch up.
Catch up. That is another important verb.
To catch up means to tell each other all the news. The stories I missed, the stories you missed.
Yes, let's catch up. It means let's sit down and talk for a long time.
I love catching up. Usually we do it with coffee.
Coffee is essential for catching up.
Or maybe dinner. Let's grab dinner and catch up.
Grab dinner? You are going to take the dinner with your hand?
No, Adam. Grab here just means get. Let's get dinner. Let's go eat.
It is very casual. Let's grab a coffee. Let's grab a burger.
Yes, use grab with friends. Do not use grab with your boss.
Good advice. So we are greeting our friends. We are catching up. Now let's talk about making plans.
Making plans. This is the hard part for some people.
Imagine I want to see you. I want to invite you somewhere. What do I say?
You can ask, "Are you free this weekend?"
Are you free? That means, do you have time or are you busy?
Yes, free means you have empty time.
So, Sarah, are you free this weekend?
Actually, I am free on Saturday. Why?
Do you want to go to the cinema?
That sounds fun. What are we watching?
We're watching a scary movie, a horror movie.
Oh, actually, Adam, I just remembered I'm busy on Saturday.
You're busy? Really?
Yes, I have to wash my hair.
You are lying. You just don't like scary movies.
You caught me. I hate scary movies. Sometimes a friend invites you, but you cannot go, or you do not want to go.
You don't want to be rude. You don't want to say, no, I hate that.
Exactly. So we make an excuse, or we are polite.
What is a polite way to say no?
You can say, "I'd love to, but I can't."
I'd love to, but that is perfect. It shows you like the idea, but it is not possible.
I'd love to, but I have to work. I'd love to, but I'm tired.
Or you can say, Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. That keeps the door open. It's friendly.
So, no scary movies for you.
No, never. But if you say, "Do you want to grab pizza?"
Then the answer is yes?
The answer is always yes to pizza.
Speaking of friends, we consider you our friends. If you are enjoying this conversation, please hit the like button. It is a small way to say hello to us. Thank you. Okay, Sarah, we talked about meeting, but friends don't always meet face to face.
That is true, especially now. Now we use our phones.
Do you call your friends or do you text them?
Oh, I'm a texter, 100%.
You prefer text messages?
Yes, calling is scary sometimes. The phone rings, ring, ring. It feels like an emergency.
I understand. I text my friends all day.
We send memes, we send funny pictures, we send emojis.
Emojis are a language now. A happy face, a sad face, a fire symbol.
Yes, if I send you a fire symbol, it means that's cool or you look great.
But there is something else, the voice note.
The voice note. Do you like them?
I have mixed feelings.
Why?
Sometimes a friend sends me a voice note and it is 5 minutes long.
5 minutes? That is not a note, that is a podcast.
Exactly. I have to stop everything. I have to listen. I can't just read it quickly.
I love voice notes. It's faster than typing. I can walk and talk.
But please keep them short. 30 seconds, 1 minute maximum.
Okay, I promise. Short voice notes only.
Thank you. So, what do you talk about with your friends?
Everything. We talk about big things and small things.
Give me an example of a small thing.
A small thing? Maybe a new TV show, or a funny thing I saw on the street, or food.
I ate a great sandwich today.
Yes, that is a perfect conversation with a friend. It's simple, it's light.
And what about big things?
Big things are feelings, problems, dreams.
A good friend listens to your problems.
Yes, sometimes you just need to talk. You need to vent.
Vent. That's a good word, like air coming out of a window.
Yes, when you have stress inside, you need to let it out. You talk to a friend, you vent, and then you feel lighter.
And a good friend does not judge.
No judging. They just listen. They say, "I understand," or "That's tough."
That's tough. That's a good phrase when your friend has a problem.
It means, "I see your pain. It's a difficult situation."
Sarah, do you have many friends or just a few close friends?
I have many acquaintances.
Acquaintances? That's a long word.
An acquaintance is someone you know. You say hi, you know their name, but you are not close.
Like a colleague at work or a neighbor.
Yes, but close friends, I only have a few, maybe 3 or 4.
That's normal. Close friends are special.
A close friend is someone you can call at midnight.
Someone who will help you move your furniture.
Yes, moving furniture is the true test of friendship. If they help you carry a heavy sofa, keep that friend forever.
I agree. Heavy sofas equal true love.
Adam, what is the best thing about having friends?
For me, it's the laughter.
Laughing?
Yes, when I'm with my best friends, we laugh about nothing. We laugh until our stomachs hurt.
That is the best feeling.
It makes life easier. If you have a bad day, but then you laugh with a friend, the day becomes good.
It's true. Friends are like sunshine on a cloudy day.
Wow, that was poetic, Sarah.
Thank you. I try.
So, to summarize, we say, "What's new?" We say, "Let's hang out." We grab coffee, and sometimes we vent.
And we help with sofas.
Don't forget the sofas.
And when we say goodbye, what do we say?
We don't say goodbye. That is too final, too serious.
True. Goodbye sounds like we will never meet again.
We say, "See you later."
Or talk to you soon.
Or just later.
Later is very cool, very casual.
So, Sarah, are we finished here?
I think so.
Do you want to grab a coffee?
I would love to, but
But what? You have to wash your hair again?
no, I want to buy the coffee, my treat.
Oh, my treat. That means you will pay?
Yes, I'm a good friend.
You are a great friend. I will never say no to free coffee.
Excellent. Let's go.
Thank you, everyone, for hanging out with us today.
We hope you feel like our friends now.
Try to use these phrases today. Text a friend. Ask them, how are things?
Thank you for listening to Snack English.
If you are new here, welcome to our family. See you in the next snack, everyone.
Bye-bye.